Today we are going to discuss exercise 1.1 from NCERT class 12. So हमारे सामने है पहला क्वेश्चन. First question is determine whether the given relation is reflexive, symmetric and transitive, and your relation R is given by R equal to x comma y such that 3x minus y equal to 0 on the set A equal to 1, 2, 3 up to 13, 14. Now, first thing is we are trying to list elements of R. हम पता करेंगे कि R में कौन कौन से एलिमेंट्स आएंगे. So now let x comma y belongs to R. It means since x comma y belongs to R, then 3x minus y equal to 0. Therefore, 3x minus y is equal to 0. This implies that y equal to 3x. Therefore, R can be listed as here y equal to 3x. So pair is x comma y. So pair is x comma 3x. So here put the value of x, get the value of y. Put the value of x, get the value of y. So put the value of x equal to 1. 1 comma y equal to 3 times 1. So it is 3. 2. X equal to 2. Then y equal to 3 times 2, 6. X equal to 3. Then y equal to 3 times 3. 3 times 3 is 9. X equal to 4. So 4 3 is 12. Now 5. 5 3 is 15. 6 3 is 18. But 15, 18 do not belongs to set A. Therefore, 5, 15, 6, 18 do not belong to R. We have only 4 elements in the relation R. We have 4 elements in the relation R, like 1, 3, 2, 6, 3, 9 and 4, 12. Now to check reflexivity. Reflexive. Now the relation R is reflexive when A comma A belongs to R. For each A belongs to A, means every element of set A should be related to itself. So 1 comma 1 belong to R, 2 comma 2 should be belong to R, 3 comma 3 should be belong to R. But we have 1 comma 1 does not belong to R, 2 comma 2 does not belong to R. So we have so many counter examples. Write down any one of them. So very easy portion is 1 comma 1 does not belong to R. Therefore, R is not reflexive. Now the second part is symmetric. To check the symmetricity of the relations, any relation R is symmetric only when if A comma B belong to R, then B comma A should be belong to R. Now, but we have 1 comma 3 belong to R, but 3 comma 1 does not belong to R. 2 comma 6 belong to R, but 6 comma 2 does not belong to R. 3 comma 9 belong to R, but 9 comma 3 does not belong to R. So we have 4 counter examples. Write down any one of them. Very easy portion is 1 comma 3 belong to R, but 3 comma 1 does not belong to R. Therefore, R is not symmetric. Now the third one is transitivity. So any relation is transitive only when A comma B belong to R, B comma C belong to R. This implies that A comma C belong to R. So second coordinate of first pair and first coordinate of second pair, both should be common. So we try that. 1 comma 3 belong to R and 3 comma 9 belong to R. देखिएगा ये इसी तरह के एलिमेंट है. A comma B belong to R, B comma C belong to R. Like 1 comma 3 belong to R, 3 comma 9 belong to R. But 1 comma 9. What about 1 comma 9? 1 comma 9, 1 comma 9, 1 comma 9 does not belong to R. Therefore R is not transitive. Okay, now let us start the part second. So part second is relation R in the set n of all natural numbers defined as R equal to x comma y such that y equal to x plus 5 and x less than 4. तो यहाँ पे भी आपके पास क्या है, y equal to x plus 5. So put the value of x, get value of y. Now like the previous problem, we list all the elements of R. So R equal to, now put the value of x. So, x belong to set n. N is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, dot, dot, dot. X equal to 1, then y equal to 1 plus 5, 6. Put x equal to 2, y equal to 7. Put x equal to 3, 3 plus 5, 8. Put x equal to 4, 4 plus 5, 9. But condition is x less than 4. So x cannot be 4. So we have only 3 elements. 1, 6, 2, 7, 3, 8. Now reflexive. So any relation R is reflexive if every element related to itself. But we have 1, 1 does not belong to R. 2, 2 does not belong to R. 3, 3 does not belong to R. So write down any one of them. Since 1, 1 does not belong to R, therefore R is not reflexive. Now the second part is symmetric. Now for the symmetricity of any relation, if A comma B belong to R, then B comma A should be belong to R. Since 1, 6 belong to R, but 6, 1 does not belong to R. 2, 7 belong to R, but 7, 2 does not belong to R. 3, 8 belong to R, but 8, 3 does not belong to R. Therefore, we can write any one of them. Since 1, 6 belong to R, but 6, 1 does not belong to R. Therefore, R is not symmetric. Right. Now transitive. रिफ्लेक्सिव, सिमेट्रिक, ट्रांजिटिव सारे डेफिनेशन हम लोग इससे पहले वाले वीडियो में पढ़ चुके हैं. नाउ ट्रांजिटिव. फॉर द ट्रांजिटिविटी ऑफ एनी रिलेशन आर, इफ a, b belong to R and b, c belong to R, then a, c should be belong to R. राइट ऑन ये देख लेते हैं यहाँ पे. If a, b belong to R, b, c belong to R, then a, c should be belong to R. नाउ यहाँ पे देखिए, क्या आपके पास ऐसा कोई पेयर है जिसमें आप देखिएगा सेकेंड कोऑर्डिनेट ऑफ फर्स्ट पेयर एंड फर्स्ट कोऑर्डिनेट ऑफ सेकेंड पेयर शुड बी कॉमन. तो आपके पास कोई भी ऐसा पेयर नहीं यहाँ पे जो कॉमन हो. तो यहाँ पे हम लिख सकते हैं इफ a, b belong to R, b, c belong to R, then a, c belong to R. Therefore, R is transitive.